You had questions today? You take the first. Who had questions? After I go. Only Pala.
गुरुदेव थोड़ी अनन्यता की परिभाषा में अनन्यता
अनन्यश्चिन्तन्तो मां योजना पर्युपासते तेषां युक्ताभि तेषां युक्तानां योगक्षेमं अनन्य होने चाहिए न अन्न इति अन्न only one point is the Krishna, one who completely one point is the Krishna. This is called Ananda. Not worship any demigod and demigod. Only worship Krishna. This is called Ananda Bhakti. Bhakti means there, so only Siddha Bhakti. Not also develop the practice of Paramishra, Gyanamishra Bhakti. So Ananda means one point, no Ananda. जब तक अनन्यता नहीं हो तो भक्ति नहीं होगी। ना भक्ति will not manifest. So for this regard, Rupa Goswami Pad give the definition about bhakti. Anna vilasita sunnam jnana karmadi anavritam anukulena krishnanu silanam bhakti ruttam. So for the Rupa Goswami, the cultivation of activities exclusively pleasure for Krishna. The heart should be neat and clean, not covered with karma, jnana, yoga and tapasya. And which is favorable for Krishna, we accept, and those who are unfavorable for Krishna have to reject. So this is called Suddha Bhakti. Anna Vilasita Sunnam Jnana Karmadharita Anukulena Krishnam Suddha Bhakti Uttam. Uttama Bhakti, pure devotional service to Lord. This. Actually, this is one point to the Krishna. And who is one point to the Krishna? Srimati Radhika. Saying in this way, Brajendra Nandan Vina Teho Nahi Parsya Annajan. Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu himself told. Srimati Radhika says one point to the Krishna. And even the same incarnation of Krishna, and Srimati Radhika would not touch to them. What to say to others? So Chaitanya Chaitanya, no. Bhajana Nandan Vina Teho Nahi Parsya Annajan. And even Srimati Radhika said, not touch the other incarnation of Krishna. Though all the incarnations non-different from Krishna. Ram, Nisimha, Kolki, they are also non-different from Krishna. But Srimati Radhika has her nishtha, anannata. Only one pointed with Srimati Radhika, Krishna. And Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha, Antare Bahire, Jaha Jaha Nitra Pade, Taha, Ishta Devi Spade. Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha. Krishna Mai, completely observed with Srimati Radha, Krishna. Krishna Mai, Krishna Radha, Antare Bahire. Antare Bahire means inside and outside, only Krishna. Jaha Jaha Nitra Pade, Taha Krishna Spade. Whatever he looks, then the Krishna automatically manifests in his heart. This is Anandata. They translate or not? We translating in. Okay.
So when Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu went to South India and he was glorifying Nrsimha Dev in the temple, इसके साथ अनन्यता भंग होती?
नहीं.
No.
Same Krishna. But body nishtha with Krishna. Srimati Radhika her Nishta with Krishna. Even Gita Govindam and Jadev Goswami Pad glorifies that. Kesavadhrita Kesavadhrita Meena Sarira Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Kesavadhrita Kurma Sarira Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Same Jagadishwar Krishna. Kesav. He manifested in the form of different incarnation. This is the what is called Mahatma, glories of Krishna. Kesavadhrita Meena Sarira Jaya Jagadisha Hari. Same Jagadishwar Krishna. He manifested in form of different form. So he is the Kesavadhrita Meena Sarira Jaya Jagadisha. He is saying Kesav. Kesavadhrita. And same case of Krishna. He doing this Leela. This is his speciality. And
What is the perspective of Madhurya Rasbhakta when he's glorifying other avatars? Is he seeing?
because all the avatars of the Leela also nourishment to the Madhurya Ras, Madhurya Leela. Understand? For these are Jadeh Goswami, Kesava, Dhrita, Kesava. He used this word Kesav. Kesav means Krishna. Who is Krishna? Varnandan Samad, Dhir Lalit Krishna. Kesav, Radha, Kesav, Badnati, iti Kesava. Even Krishna, he also decorates Srimati Radhika's hair or braid. For this regard, he is called Kesava. Rasik Krishna. Kesavadhrita. Oishcharjamut Kesav means Brahma, he was also controlled by him. He controlled to Brahma, Shiv, everything. So his name is also Kesava. But Madhurya Ras Kesav means is what? Kesav Badnati. Iti Kesava. Srimati Radhika's braiding the hair. So through this way. Srimati Radhika, that time she manifests in the mood of Sadhina Bhartika Naika. So Srimati Radhika, she manifested her mood of Sadhina Bhartika Naika and the heroine of Sadhina Bhartika. And told Krishna also decorate my clay here with the flowers. Understand? Also decorate my what is called bread. No? Bread. Krishna is doing. For this regard, his name is called Kesav. Or same Kesav, now he is manifested in the form of Matsya, Kurma, Varaha, Nisinga, these. But Srimati Radhika Nishtha, Varinandan Samsana. So saying Varinandan Bina Nahi Sparshe Anna Jan. Srimati Radhika, she does not touch the other incarnation. What you say to Nishtha and Varinandan Samsana? Yeah, this is the person. Go for Ananda.
In every chapter, in the end of Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna Krishna says, Hero Bhagavata Jara, Chaitanya Charitamrita, Krishna was. And also in the song Gauranga Bhagavata, there's a line that's
Rup Raghunath Pademu.
So why is always Rupa and Raghunath is mentioned? Why not Rupa and Sanat?
Because Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave all his treasure of heart in the to Rupa Goswami Pad. Understand? Further, Narottam Das Thakur, Rupa Goswami Pranam Mantra explained this way: Sri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Jana Bhutale Sang Rupa Kadamajjan Dadati Sabdantikam. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he gave all his treasure of heart to Rupa Goswami. So in our Gaudiya Sampradaya, Rupanuga Vaishnava said, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu gave this all his heart to Rupa Goswami Pad gave to Jiva Goswami Pad and Raghunath Das Goswami. And Raghunath Das Goswami is also a special quality that she one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Other Goswami also, but when you deeply analyze, you can see Raghunath Das Goswami, he one pointed with Srimati Radhika. Look this thing. Then even Rupa Goswami Pad, Sanatana Goswami Pad, other Goswami, Jiva Goswami, they perform bhajan and sadhan in Vrindavan, different place. But Rupa Goswami, Raghunath Das Goswami, only Radha Kunda. But the Raghunath Das Goswami quoted one verse. Padabja stovina varadassameva nannat kadapi same kila devi jache sakkhaye tomo namastu namastu nittam dassaye tomo rasastu sattam. Srimati Radhika very pleased with Raghunath Das Goswami. And that time Srimati Radhika told, hey Radhe, I will give one highest benediction at the position of Lalita Vishakha. Dekha prana prashta sakhi. We take this. First Raghunath Das Goswami, I know, I pay my obeisances, that position. What do you want? Dassaye tomo namastu namastu nittam. That is called Kinkari Bhav. Raghunath Das Goswami. So Rupa Goswami Pad, then Raghunath Das Goswami Pad. Rupa Goswami Pad manifested all the granthas, this Rasa Grantha. Raghunath Das Goswami is all the granthas, rasas, how to mix together. That means Rupa Goswami Pad, he collects all the ingredients of rasa. You understand or not? And how many ingredients a rasa is manifest? Do you know or not? 49 ingredients. How do you do 49? Take care. Huh? Follow. I maintain it all this group. One sthai bhav. One fixed move. Understand? Santo Daso Sakko Vatsalya Madhya, one sthai bhav is coming. Then 7, what is called? Secondary mode is coming. So how much? 8. Or then Ashtasattik bhav. How much? 16. Understand?
Total 16.
16.
Yeah.
Or then 33 and Vavicari bhav is there. So how many years? 16 and 33? 49. This is the calculation. So many says Rupa Goswami Pad in his Grantha, Bhakti Rasamrita Sindhu, Ujjwal Nirmani, Vidagdha Madhav, Lalit Madhav, all his Grantha, he also explained about the ingredients of rasa. And Raghunath Das Goswami is Grantha explained and how to mix and what is called?
Mix the ingredients.
Mixing the ingredients with proportion. Anupat. Gurudev just gave an example. You want to what is called? Make one preparation of very nice juice. What juice? Mango shake. What is called? Mango? Mango shake. Okay. Mango shake will do. Mango is coming. Only mango you cannot prepare the mango shake. Need is what? Some ingredients. Mango is coming. They need the water also need. Then little sugar also need. Little also salt also need. All the ingredients they need. Camphor, little bit camphor need.
Yeah.
Then also what is it called? Kali mirich,
Black pepper.
black pepper need. And all ingredients to give to you. But if you don't know how much proportion will be mixed together, then you cannot properly prepare this. ingredients is coming. But how much you put? Need sugar, maybe one spoon sugar you give. Or you give 10 spoon salt you put. So this is not. So that means here, Rupa Goswami Pad, he collects all the ingredients. Raghunath Das Goswami in this Grantha and explain how much the proportion.
Recipe.
This is the thing. Then sweet mango, what is it called? Shake, can drink.
Yes.
So in the same way, our Goswami, Rupa Goswami Padi did, Raghunath Das Goswami in the Grantha. If you read Raghunath Das Goswami Grantha, then understand. You wrote both, you can read both Grantha. Which Grantha? Rupa Goswami's Grantha and Raghunath Das. For this, Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami, very humble, he is saying this. Rup Raghunath Pade, Rohum aur Aas, Prarthana Kare Sada, Narottam Huda. Or Krishnadas Kaviraj Goswami Chaitanya Charitamrita. He is saying this. Rup Raghunath. Rupa Goswami Pad and Sanatana Goswami Pad also is there, but he is Grantha. Tattva Siddhanta, Rasa Siddhanta is there. But mainly Rupa Goswami Pad's Grantha and Raghunath Das Goswami's Grantha is very important. And especially Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu invested all his potency in the heart of Rupa Goswami. Mahaprabhu himself told, I gave. But you question, why not others? You understand? Why not others? He is Lord Bhagavan. He will give to whom no one can come. Satantra Shiksha. In Dwarka Lila, Naradishi brought one Parijat flower. Naradishi told to Krishna, or this, who is your best king? You offer this? Queen. Who is best queen? Okay, so you also offer this Parijat flower. Just now. So Krishna gave to whom? Why? Why not Satyabhama? Why not Nagarajita? Also they there. Question coming or not? So Krishna gave to Rukmini, then Satyabhama become very angry. The Leela is coming on this. So just I was saying this way, Lord is Satantra Shechama. Sarup Damodar Raya Ramananda, they are not ordinary person. So why Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu did not give all his treasure half to Sarup Damodar Raya Ramananda? Why Rupa Goswami? This is his speciality. For this guy, Sarup Damodar, also he glorified to Rupa Goswami. Priyasa Sarupe, Daita Sarupe. This sloka is there. You know this sloka or not? Don't know. Priyasa Sarupe, Daita Sarupe, Premaika Rupe, Swajda Rupe, Tatano Rupe. This sloka is there. This verse, slokas recited by Sarup Damodar. Or another thing also, Sarup Damodar, Raya Ramananda, they are, what is it called? Prana Prishta Sakhi. Almost the same level of Srimati Radhika. But Lord Chaitanya, what is it called? Arupa Manjari, there is what? 1.8 with Srimati Radhika. Yesterday I told.
Yes.
Srimati Radhika, 3 types of Sakhis. One is called Krishna Paksha Sakhis, another is called Ubhay Paksha Sakhis, another is called Radha Paksha Sakhis. Some Sakhis they also are. Served to Srimati Radhika, served to Krishna, but they are inclined towards Krishna. That is Krishna Paksha Sakhis. They are Binda, Bindarika, Dhanishta. Krishna Paksha Sakhis. Or Ubhay Paksha Sakhis, both. Radha and Krishna, these are. They are called Ubhay Paksh. 8 Sakhis, Lalita, Visakha, Champakalata, these 8 Sakhis, they are called. That is called Ubhay Paksh. They both also Radha and Krishna. Or another is called Radha Paksha Sakhis. They are the only one point of Srimati Radhika. That is called Manjaris. Yesterday I told. Manjari means either Radha Nishtha. Here the Radha Nishtha, Krishna Nishtha and Ubhay Nishtha. Manjari means the Radha Nishtha. Without Radha Nishtha, how possible? Other Manjari, they also. One point is Srimati Radhika. This is true. That is Rupa Manjari, Lavanga Manjari, what is called Roti Manjaris, all the Manjaris are. But Rupa Manjari is very close to Srimati Radhika. So this is the thing. Yeah, Rupa Manjari means Rupa Goswami Pad. This thing. But one article says Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained Ananga Manjari. Ananga Manjari actually is very near days of Srimati Radhika. Especially in Radha Kunda. And Radha Kunda, 8 corners of Radha Kunda, the 8 Sakhis Kunja is there also. Understand? You read this book? Eight the corner of Radha Kunda. And Ashtasakhi's Kunda, Ashtasakhi's Kunja is there also. And Lalita Devi's Kunda, Lalitananda Kunja. Visakhananda Kunja. The 8 Sakhis Kunja is there. Our middle of Radha Kunda, that is called Sananda Sukada Kunja. That Kunja belongs to Ananga Manjari. They are younger sister of Srimati Radhika. And that Kunja is the Krishna, is Srimati Radhika, is to go in there. Very confident place. And Vishana Chakravarti Pad, Sri Krishna Bhavanamrita Grantha also explained this way. There's a Jogmasi arrange one bridge. Because how to go the middle of Radha Kunda. So Jogmasi arrange one bridge. And when Srimati Radhika used to come in the middle of Ananga Kunja, middle of Radha Kunda, that Kunja is one. Ananga Manjari. Then the bridge disappears. Then Radha Krishna, that conflict place. So for this guy, Bhaktivinoda Thakur explained, Ananga Manjari is Anugatta Radha, Srimati Radhika Seva. This is very, very confident. So generally everybody was saying, oh, Rupa Manjari, Rupa Anugatta. But when you deeply analyze this, Ananga Manjari Anugatta Seva. This is very, very confident. Not everybody understand. Understand?
But is it possible for the girl to be under her guidance?
Ananga Manjari Seva, the Bhaktivinoda Thakur, this some song also saying this way. And Ananga Manjari, Kavi Amai, song is there also. Ananga Manjari Anugatta Sananda Sukada Kunja. If I tell you, your mind would be disturbed because you will not understand. So no need to speak. One person, because Ananga Manjari is the blood relation of Srimati Radhika. Understand? And Rupa Manjari? No. So if I tell you, you not understand. So anyhow, just. Whose mamata is there? Ananga Manjari mamata is for Srimati Radhika. Very higher. Because servitual depend on the mamata. Ananya mamata Vishnu mamata prema sangata. Prem depend on the how much your mamata. Mamata understand? Huh? This is the nature of this. Because Lokik Leela, Lokik, we call human being Leela, Manav Leela. Because Krishna Leela is going on, is a human being Leela also. And so for this regard, we are giving this example. In this material, your son, you serve your son, and or you also serve other son, something different will come. Coming or not?
Sometimes more possessiveness.
Oh, it is not possible. Oh, external. Understand? Putana, she also loves to Krishna. Our mother Jasoda, she loves Krishna. Difference or not? So, coming this way. Because when the Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti, that time this is coming in here. Mother Jasoda, she loves to Krishna. Vatsalabha. Who can compare with Mother Jasoda Vatsalabha to Krishna? No one. This is the reason. Mother Jasoda, she gives birth to Krishna from her womb. Devaki actually, she did not give birth to Krishna. Understand? If we tell you, then more confusion will come. So no need to tell that. Krishna appeared, you think Avirbhav, from the womb of Devaki. Our Mother Jasoda, she gave that birth to Krishna. Look this. So Devaki's her mood towards Krishna is what? Opulence mood there. And Nanda Jasoda, their love and affection with Krishna, that is called Vatsalabha. Pure.
But the other gopis, the other gopis have more mamata towards Krishna than towards their own sons, right?
What?
जो अन्य गोपियां हैं उनके पास अधिक ममता है कृष्ण के लिए.
अभी कृष्ण के लिए, हम जो राधा के लिए बोल रहे हैं.
लेकिन आप कह रहे रक्त का संबंध है.
संबंध, जहां पर संबंध रहता है, अपनत्व बुद्धि होता है. वो कुछ भी बोले, आज 1000 कुछ समझाओ, you can give many reasons. Automatically, where is your blood relationship? Automatically going to love. Otherwise, how to establish that the Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti? Lokik Sadbandhuvat, understand it? Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti. Krishna Leela means a Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti. Worldly love and affection. क्या बोलते हैं? लोग किस समझते हैं? As like no, family member. Mother Jasoda says, Krishna is my son. I gave birth to Krishna. Understand? Yet, Janma Sanskar is there also. Or Devaki, Krishna appeared from the womb of Devaki, but there are no Janma Sanskar. No, what is called?
No cutting of the umbilical cord.
So, or here is not a. Here is not. So this Leela is going. Just go Jatans. That is Srimad Bhagavatam very clearly explained. Nandastu Atmajo Utpanne Jato Rado Mahamune. Very clearly explained. Atmajo Utpanne. Nandastu Atmajo Utpanne. Atmaja Atmana Jayati Tyat. This is Lokik Sadbandhuvat Priti. Or in Devakis, that is called the appear. And Lord can appear anywhere. And Nishingadev appeared from pillar. So pillar is the mother and father of Nishingadev. Lord can appear anywhere. So for the Gaudiya Siddhanta is this. And so for this guy, Jayati Jana Nivaso Devaki Janma Bhadu. This is very nice, beautiful this sloka. And you read this commentary of Vishwanath Chakravarti Part. Jayati Jana Nivaso Devaki Janma Bhadu. Jadubara Parisha Sarvida Durvisa Adharma. Then sloka here just for Jayati Janani Vaso Devaki Janabadu Jadura Parisha Sarvidar Tirajara Vishnu Susmita Sri Mukena Brajavarna Buritanang Vardayana Kamadevam. This is one slok. The whole essence of Srimad Bhagavatam. All the essence of Srimad Bhagavatam, just one slok. Yeah, use this word Janma Badu. Jati Jana Nivaso Devaki Janma Badu. Yeah, this Janma Bad. Bad means what? People are saying. According to Sanskrit word, Bad means what? They are discussing. This is not true. Understand? Panditas sometimes they are Bad and Viva. Bad means discuss. Maybe, maybe not. So Jayati Jana Nivaso Devaki Janma Badu. Krishna, you are not saying this way. Devaki Janma Badu. People are saying, the mother Devaki, she gave birth to Krishna. That is called Bad. Bad, understand? Bad means? People are saying. Speculation maybe. Because that time nobody in there also. In the jail of Kamsa. There are no evidence.
No witness.
No witness, nothing. But here, witness. Because here saying also, what is called? This, cutting the, he is saying this. That means witness is there. Here they witness. And when baby took birth from the womb of mother, that is what is called? The umbilical cord connected with the womb of mother. You understand? Mother she knows. Who is not mother? When baby takes birth from the womb of mother, then after a few minutes, then everything should coming out. You understand? So that time also they cutting. So this is the problem. But in how it is called? And in the jail of Kamsa, and there is no cutting this types of umbilical cord, nothing. Understand? And it is also Shastra saying before cutting the umbilical cord, that time he can give donation to everybody. After cutting the umbilical cord, few days, according to 21 days, something place. That time, mother she is called Asaucha, Apavitra. Understand? This is called Apavitra also, impure. That time she cannot do any pious activity also. After a few days when this I think different this achar also. General culture also. And after 21 days, understand? Then he taking bath, different reason. As the Brahmanas coming, the giving the purification, then taking darshan to moon and different. Then going to temple, take darshan to baby, mother. This is a process. So here This lila is going on. But in there is no. For this regard, and Devaki and Vasudev, they saw Krishna's 4 arms. Krishna himself told, hey Devaki Vasudev, and your previous life, and in Satyajug, you are Krishna and Sutapa. You also worship my form Narayan. And remind to me everything, this lila. Now I also gave you I gave you that I will be your son, 3 birth. And remind to him everything also. In Satyajug I was Krishna Garbha. And second birth, that time, Mamandev, and you are Aditi and Kashyapa. Aditi and Kashyapa. And now, you are same, Devaki and Vasudev, I am same. Look this. Small baby took birth from the woman. Has to speak or not? They are speaking. And manifested 4 arms. Then Devaki and Vasudev, they also prayed and half this Prabhustuti also. Or maybe Kamsa will come, Kamsa will get. And understand it. Then Krishna also told to him, or baby Krishna told, and hey Vasudev Maharaj, soon you also return back, you also back to me, take me to Gokula. And these things also. This is like this. When baby took birth from the woman, they're speaking or not? Or is why you are speaking? 4 arms also. Then after a few seconds, then 4 arms also disappear. Then Krishna also returned to small baby. Look at this. So essentially like that. For this, Devaki and Vasudev always thinking this way. Though Krishna he is my son, but he is Bhagavan. Bhagavad Buddhi. Look at this. Bhagavad Buddhi is there also. And Vishwanath Chakravarti Pad explained, when Krishna came Vrindavan to Mathura and killed Kamsa, and when he met with Devaki and Vasudev, Krishna tried to touch the feet of Devaki and Vasudev, but Devaki and Vasudev forbidden. No, I know you are not my son, you are Bhagavan. And Devaki and Vasudev never allowed Krishna to touch their feet. Look at this. And Nanda Jasoda, what they say? Every day, Nanda Jasoda, they put their feet on the head of Krishna. Okay, I am giving blessing to you. And Krishna paying his obeisances, and Nanda Maharaj put his feet on the head of Krishna. Loki Sadhvanva. Why I am saying these things? This is the Loki Sadhvanva Priti. Understand it? अरे पहले तो पैर पे प्रणाम कहाँ करते हैं?
कृष्ण प्रणाम करते हैं।
तो कृष्ण, अरे सुनो, कृष्ण जब प्रणाम करते हैं नंद जसोदा के, नंद जसोदा कैसे बैठते हैं? आपके कोई कल्चर नहीं है, मनुष्य नहीं। पैर कैसे रखते हैं? तो ऐसे करके रखते हैं। चलो, फूड डस्ट चाहिए ना, है?
नंद यशोदा आसन पर बैठे हैं।
नंद यशोदा आसन पर बैठे, तो उनको क्या चाहिए? फूड डस्ट चाहिए कि नहीं चाहिए? So Nanda Jasoda also doing this, and they also do pranam this. And Nanda Jasoda, Nanda Maharaj Katha is done. Nanda Maharaj giving his own food dust on the head of Krishna. On the feet, put on the head of Krishna. And one hand, 2 hands also be blessing. This is the needed. That is called Loki Sadhvanva. Western culture, this is not in culture. No one also paying the obeisances, his parents also. You do pay or not? You pay because sanskar is there. Ask to the Western devotees. They think all we are same. Nirbisheshvadi. Did you pay? Did you ask to everybody? Did you pay your obeisances? Pranam to your, touch your feet of your parents or not? You? Never.
Not yet.
Not yet. No one.
Kiss the hand of grandfather.
Huh?
Kiss the hand of grandfather. Go like this and kiss the hand of our grandfather, and grandfather give blessing on our hand.
Are you blessing? What am I saying this with you?
Not the feet, but the hand. You have to
Feet.
the hand.
Understand? Loki Sadbandhu Pratidya. This is the Shastra. Here is Vishwanath Chakravarti written. When Krishna and Balaram, here is the Krishna, Balaram, they used to come in front of Nanda Maharaj. Nanda Maharaj automatically giving the Buddhas. Come, take the Buddha. Bring my shoes. Here we opposite way. And son will say, Father, bring my shoes. Understand? But there is another thing. Loki Sadbandhu Pratidya. I am looking also here how they are behave with the parents. Understand? I am looking here. 27 years I am watching. What do you say? Are Shastra saying also? Understand or not? What do you always speak the truth? Shastra saying this all. Give the pranam to different. So this is called the opulence mode. Devaki, Vasudev, they have opulence mode towards Krishna. Nanda, Jasoda, they are Madhurya mode. Loki Sadbandhu Pratidya. Understand? And Krishna, Balaram always give honor to Nanda and Jashoda. Give them honor. This is the thing. Our opposite way here. Devaki, Vasudev, they honor to Krishna. You understand or not?
This is inconceivable in the material world. But parents have an opulence mood towards child.
Huh? Yeah, this is Loki Sadbandhu. Understand? This thing. And some people say, oh, don't touch that feet. Saying or not? There is a mood is what? Opulence mood. Nanda Jasoda very easy. Try to understand this. So in the same way, why I am saying because he has the Loki Sadbandhu. And Ananga Manjari, what are you going to say? The Ananga Manjari, she has so much intimacy with Srimati Radhika. Prati is there also. So Bhaktivinoda Thakur, one article was explained this. Ananga Manjari Anugatta Srimati Radhika Seva. This is very, very rare confidence. I am not saying this. Bhaktivinoda Energy. Sri Ananga Manjari, this song, the Bengali song. Ananga Manjari Sadai Hoiya Ha Moro Gaura Kishore. This is it. Duhe Nivedive Duharo Madhuri Hevanan. Ananga Manjari. Ananga Manjari, all the Kunja is there. So in the middle of Radha Kunda, which Kunja is there? Rupa Manjari Kunja is not in there. Rupa Kunja other side. That Kunja is called Ananga Manjari Kunja. Ananda Sukada Kunja. I mean Bhaktivinoda Thakur, Kamal Manjari, he is saying.
Should your books this is described?
Are you some this book? Okay. Yeah. Ananga Manjari feeling compassion will take this maid servant by the hand and lovingly offer me to the divine couple. I shall then behold their sweetness to the full satisfaction of my eyes. And Ananga Manjari Seva. Very nice. But everybody know Rupa Goswami, Rupa Manjari. Okay. Priyasa Sarupe, Daita Sarupe. Is it true also?
So how does one take guidance of Ananga Manjari? Indirectly? Because you cannot give up
Bhajan sadhan they do.
because you cannot give up the guidance of Srila Rupa Goswami,
Huh?
Anugatya. That's
Are what will do they? Everything depends on your potential. You have everything. You understand? Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadha Kobu Noy Sarvanadi Suddha Chitte Korauda. Now we are speaking just.
yes.
But whatever you have, that will be manifest. You planted mango seed, the mango will come. Understand? And or if you planted the bubble seed, understand? You know bubble tree? Or nettle tree, thorns. Bubble के क्या बोलते हैं इंग्लिश? Thorns.
Thistle.
So what you have, that will manifest. And you have everything. Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadha Kobu Noy Sarvanadi Suddha Chitte Karo Udoy. Just listen, and then if you have that potential, it will be manifest. And or if you not that the potential, it will not manifest. Now we listen everything. You don't know. What kinds of your potential? You have everything also. So saying the Nitya Siddha Krishna Prem Sadha Kobhu Noy Sravanadi Suddha Chitte Kara Uday. Here use this word Uday means manifest. This is the simple way.
In what stage it will manifest?
At the stage of Bhav Dasa. Bhav and Prema Dasa. Bhav Dasa is. Asakti Dasa, little bit, what is called? Semblance. Then Bhav Dasa, more and manifest. Or Prem Dasa, completely manifest. This is the process of Asakti, Rati, Bhav and Prem. And you don't know what kinds of potential you have. Santa, Dasa, Sakka, Vatsal and Madhurya. Even Madhurya, what kinds of you? Manjari Bhav or Sakhi Bhav, you don't know. But listen, all we are now listening. Good or not? But one hope, everybody was one hope, because you have come in the line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So 90% क्या है? Hope. 99% निरानबे सत्य. Hope. Here you have Manjari Bhav. Bala Vrindavan Vyaya. You understand? What is English fellow?
Not, so we keep 99% hope that we have Manjari Bhav because we have come in this line of Sri Chaitanya Mahaprabhu.
But 1% doubts. What to do? But hope this.
We can change it to 100%. We can have 100% hope. And no doubt. I have no doubt.
Because here he is saying this verse, Jatha Jatha Gaura Padar Vinde. Tatha Tatha Bhakti. Jatha Jatha Gaura Padar Vinde. Vinde Bha Bhakti कृत पुण्य पुंजा तथा तथा सर्पी हृदय अकस्मात राधा पदाम्बुजो सुधाम्बुराश. How much you surrender to Sachinandan Gaurari? Eh? This is the main thing. How much you surrender Sachinandan Gaurari? So if you surrender to Sachinandan Gaurari, it will manifest. Our hope this. So for this regard, one class Gurudev told, that you have come in this line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You are not going to other sampradayas. You have come in this line. This must be, for this regard, Jogmaya arranged. You are not coming to Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. You are not coming to the Gaudiya Sampradaya. Who arranged? Jogmaya she arranged. Jogmaya she arranged. For this regard, you have come. But question is that how much you surrender. You can bring the horse in front of the pond. But horse will drink water or not, that depend on him also. घोड़े के प्यास लगा कि नहीं लगा तो क्या पता क्या. घोड़े के प्यास ही नहीं लगा, आप क्या बोले? पानी के पास घोड़ा पी थोड़ी पिएंगे. You can by force bring the horse in front of the pond. Water is there, but the horse will drink or not.
It depends on the horse.
Depend on the horse. So that means Jogmaya she arranged to you how to come in this line of Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. And now it's question how much you surrender Sachinandan Gaura. For this what is there? Jatha Jatha Gaura Padar Binde. Binde Bhavad Binde Bhakti Kritapunna Punja. Tatha Tatha Surpi Hriday Akasma Radha Padambujo Sudamburas. Gaura Anugatta. Not so easy. Many people do worship Radha and Krishna, but they don't worship Sachinandan Gaurari. You worship both Radha and Krishna and Sachinandan Gaurari. So they Gaur Anugatta Radha Govinda Seva. Bhaktivinoda Thakur says, we worship Radha and Krishna under guidance of Sachinandan Gaurari. If your altar no Gaura Hari or Radha Krishna, you will never attend Manjari Bhav. 100% guarantee. Do you understand? Only you put the Radha Krishna, but no Sachinandan Gaur Hari. You cannot get the Manjari Bhav. So you can get Sakhi Bhav. Understand? The mood of Lalita, Visakha, you can get. But you cannot get. If you want to take Manjari, you have to worship Sachinandan Gaur Hari. Gauru Anugatta Radha Govinda Seva. Bhaktivinoda always mention this. Worship divine Radha and Krishna under guidance of Sachinandan Gaur Hari. So I am saying your altar should be neat and clean. Your altar, who is the altar? That means is what? Put Sachinandan Gaur Hari and Radha Krishna. If I tell you, you would upset, so no need to speak too much. Jagannath Baladev Dwarkadhish actually.
But the first object of a disciple is to get rid of his anarthas through the mercy of Sri Guru, right? This is first object. And
Bhajan sadhana is slowly.
And then you will only have that mood when you come into asakti or bhav, right? Then you will seek that particular type of guru.
Everything depends on your past impression sanskar.
Yes.
If I tell 1,000 times, you will not listen. Depend on your sanskar. Everybody listen or not? Everybody is here, everybody listening. But what will do, you know. Understand? Everything, so far they are saying that is called impression, sanskar. What kinds of your sanskar? Krishna bhakti rasabhavita mati kriyatang yadi kutopi labhate tatrapi lolo mullong janmakati sukritana labhate. By the sukriti you cannot get. That is called your low. Greed is coming from your sanskar also. So maybe why you will put the called Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra. Until for that, what is it, to attract the others, Loko Siksha. Because everybody not in the 1.8 with Radha and Krishna and Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. So putting this way, okay. Krishna Chakravarti Pad also explain, okay. Some preaching, or what is called, Loko Siksha you can put. But your mind should be what? Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Radha Krishna. You put Radha, if you put this this called Jagannath, Baladev, Subhadra, no problem. But in our Gaudiya not putting the Baladev or Subhadra, only Chaitanya or Radha, what is called Jagannath. Why? The separation mood. The how Krishna, he felt pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. Bhaktivinoda Thakur also saying this. And the Gaudiya Vaishnava, they want Krishna have to feel the pang of separation from Srimati Radhika. Srimati Radhika, she felt pang of separation from Krishna. Gaudiya Vaishnava, they don't want. Gaudiya Vaishnava, they want Krishna have to feel separation from Srimati Radhika. The highest mood also is there. So in Jagannath Puri, Krishna, that means Jagannath Dev, he is feeling separation from Radhika. And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, that means Srimati Radhika. Chaitanya Radha, she is feeling separation from Krishna. So for this regard saying in Jagannath Puri, two separation mode is there. Radha Viraha Vidur Krishna or Krishna Viraha Vidur Radha. These things. And Krishna have to feel separation from Krishna, Srimati Radhika. This is our Gaudiya Vaishnava feeling. And if it is Jagannath, Kari, Baladev, Subhadra, then Dwaraka mode will come. Because this Dwaraka deal like that. In Dwaraka Puri, when Rohini Devi glorified our Braj Lila Katha in the Sudharma Sabha, and that time Subhadra, she was there, in the door. When Rohini Devi discussed about Braj Katha, Braj Kaini, then Krishna Balaram came and seated left side and right side of Subhadra. And these are Braj Gopis, these types of separation mood. Then Krishna and Balaram, their body completely what? Melted. And also Subhadra's body also melted. In the meantime, Narad Rishi appeared. And Narad Rishi told Prabhu, I never saw this form. And you give me benediction. But what do you want? If this form, you felt pang of separation from the gopis, Katha. And this form should be manifest. So this is Jagannath Baladev Subhadra. That's going to this is called Mahabhav Prakash. Krishna, this Mahabhav Prakash. Gaur Govinda Goswami in the article also. Read it there. Mahabhav Prakash is there. And how Krishna, he felt pang of separation from Braj, Srimati Radhika. So for this regard, we also say, okay.
So in which stage do we realize that we have this mood, we have this?
That stage is a very high level stage. When you come in the stage of Prema Dasha.
Finish. But when do you realize that your attraction is more towards Sakiras, Vatsalya?
Everything depends on Asakti Dasha at least. Or everything, if we say it has sanskar, first impression in the beginning, Shraddha, everything is coming. Shraddha, everything depends on Shraddha. So two kinds of Shraddha. Vaidhi Shraddha and it is called Raganuga Shraddha. Then two kinds of Shraddha, no? One is called Vaidhi Shraddha and it is called Raganuga Shraddha. This is Raganuga Shraddha they are doing. Shastra giving this discussion is Shastra speaking always with two ways. One is called Sadharan Vichar and it is called Vishesh Vichar. General instruction to everybody. Okay, you have to do this, follow these rules. This is called Sadharan Vichar. Because many people also there. So always speak there. General concepts and Vichar. You follow their rules and regulations. Those who advanced previous life they did, then they are giving another instruction. So, according to the Adhikar, give the instruction. So for this regard, one is called Sadharan Vichar, another is called Vishesh Vichar. With the Vishesh person, Vishesh Vichar comes. Understand? Special guest. And guest and special guest. You give same reward you give to special guest and general guest. Understand? So VIP treatment. Or general guest treatment. Food is there, different food also. This is the thing. Those who are minister level, people are coming in. You give same food to what is called ordinary people are ordinary guest coming. No, you give the special and food or not. So special person, special instruction. Are we general? Bacha Begum, Manaso Krodha Begum, everybody have to learn. You understand or not? So now not to everybody same, no. So special here is called general instruction and special instruction. Mane mane siddha deya koriya bhavan ratri dine Radha Krishner karaha sevan. This special instruction. Mane mane siddha deya koriya bhavan. And this instruction, you understand or not? And Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, mane mane siddha deha koriya bhavan ratri dine Radha Krishner karaha sevan. The special instruction. Who is not following the rules and regulations? The party, okay, do this. Bacha Begam, Manosa Begam, and Bhalona Kaibiar, Bhalona Poribe, Omani Mananda Hoya, Krishna Nam, Sadalavi. Don't eat delicious food, don't do the. After Lord Chaitanya Mahaprabhu saying, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is saying, he give me simple food to me and give the prasad, high class prasad to others devotees. আমাকে দেও লাভরা ব্যঞ্জন আর ভক্তেরে দাও মহাপ্রসাদ মহাপ্রভু saying this. So according to adhikar, everything there. If they are general, those who have not following any rules and regulations, oh, okay, come, I will give you your siddha deya parichay. Understand? This is your sahajyava. And if you go Babaji Sampradaya, and if you're not following, even you don't know how to, after going to the toilet, you don't know how to wash your hand. So how possible will tell to you, mane mane siddha deya koriya bhavan, ratri dine Radha Krishna karo sevan. First you say, you have to follow this rule, this. This is general vichar or not? Not saying, hey, anybody come. Take this Manjari Bhav. So Shastra always saying this way. One is called Sadharan Vichar, another is called Vishesh Vichar. Understand? You know what is that? In the day of what is called Gaur Punim, next day, what is it? Khichdi Prasad. So everybody take khichdi. General people coming or not? Thousand people coming from morning to night time. People are take khichdi. At that time, was there any VIP people will come give khichdi or no? Or any come in the special room, very nice, beautiful treatment, giving many kinds of delicious prasadam. Understand? Or if the Prime Minister coming with the one khichdi, and this is not perfect etiquette. And special person, special treatment. Same simple. So for the VIP. VIP treatment. Very nice, beautiful red carpet. Understand this. Those who are completely hard. And beggar, if you put in the same red carpet, then he will be also hard. And spoil. The process also. So I told this story, 3 dog story. Black, red and white. You know this? Listen or not? So the story book is there. What is that? Obakanumade. 3 dogs.
Coming out soon.
Not putting?
Shape room में बताइए
Good. Now it's 9:15. So take prasadam.
One last question. On the altar, there's also like Gauritai. Is it favorable for Manjari Bhav also? Because you said only Mahaprabhu and Radha Krishna, but we see also Gauritai almost on the altar.
If you go to Nitai, then that they are separate, or the Radha Krishna is separate. You cannot mix together. Because Nityananda Prabhu is Baladev Prabhu. Another, what is called? Prakost altar. They mean the other side.
But is it favorable on the food for Manjari?
Yeah, good also. Yeah. Nityananda Prabhu, he will give mercy. Nityananda, he also serves to Srimati Radhika in the mood of Ananga Manjari. But always we are saying this, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu Radha Krishna, but simple. Because Bhaktivinoda Thakur is saying, Gaur Anugatta Radha Govinda Seva. Gaur Anugatta Radha Govinda Seva. You worship Radha Krishna under guidance of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Gaur Anugatta.
If only Chaitanya Mahaprabhu on the altar.
No. So how you Anugatta to whom? You worship to whom? Anugatta is Gaur Sundar. Because you serve to Madhur Jara, only Udar Jara. Only will go Navadip Dham, cannot go Vrindavan Dham. So need work. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu is a Udar Jamai Vigraha. Radha Krishna is called Madhur Jamai Vigraha. Actually, one coin, 2 sides. So for the Gauri Siddhanti, Gaur Anugatta Radha Govinda Seva. This is very important. When you come in Siddhi Dasa, in the perfect stage, you are here, Siddhi Dasa, in the stage of perfection, that time your Atma divided into. And every time you go to Navadip Dham, Seva, and every time to Vrindavan Radha Govinda Seva. This is the process of. Bhaktivinoda Thakur Jayadhara explained this, all these things. Then you get 2 laddu. 2 hands, 2 laddu. This is the process. Not only worship Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, not only worship Sri Radha Krishna. So our altar is Chaitanya Mahaprabhu and Radha Krishna. This is the best. Or you can do other what you want, no problem. Jai Jai Shri Ram.